On September 6, in the Palace Complex, Oghuz Khan, respected President of Turkmenistan Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov, received the UN Resident Coordinator and Permanent Representative of the UN Development Programme in Turkmenistan, Mr. Lenni Montiel. Thanking the Turkmen leader for taking the time to meet the guest, conveyed the heartfelt greetings on behalf of UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon, noting that the United Nations welcomes and is ready to continue fully support the Turkmen leader to hold innovative policies and large-scale reforms aimed at accelerating country's economic progress and development of constructive international cooperation of Turkmenistan, forthcoming this year towards the meeting of the 20th anniversary of its independence. Expressing appreciation for the assistance provided by the structural subdivisions of the United Nations in addressing the challenges of national development, esteemed President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov emphasized that Turkmenistan viewed the UN as a strategic partner for a number of major joint projects of national and regional importance. Highly appreciating the prospects of further expansion of many years of fruitful collaboration, covering almost all of today the most important directions, from energy security to environmental issues, the state had confirmed that for its part, neutral Turkmenistan adhered to the principle of international cooperation in the interest and will continue to make its due contribution to resolving the urgent problems of today. Expressing sincere gratitude to the esteemed President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov for able to provide personal assistance to the successful promotion of constructive dialogue and a highly proactive approach to establishing effective cooperation of UN member states in the framework of this authoritative international organization, Mr. Lenni Montiel stressed the special importance the Turkmen leader put forward the important international initiatives, including the proposed establishment of the UN Interregional Center to address issues related to global climate change, which will be announced at the 66th session of UN General Assembly. During the meeting, interested in conversation in the context of the agenda of the largest forum, in which Turkmenistan would also speak on the progressive increase of positive international cooperation in such key areas as strengthening global peace, security and stability, creating optimum conditions for global sustainable development in the long perspective. As was emphasized during the meeting, the United Nations is deeply interested in deepening and expanding the traditional comprehensive partnership with Turkmenistan, conducting far-sighted and constructive internal and external policies, as evidenced by the recent his election to the authority of 3 UN bodies: the UN Commission on Population and Development for the period up to 2012-2015, the UN Commission on Narcotic Drugs for the period 2012-2015.